Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you'll help other users to find necessary information, and my channel will be running better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In this video tutorial, we'll look at new version of program 2025.1. I will compare this version with previous one, 2024.4. The biggest new feature is accessibility improvement. Website X5 2025.1 generates clear, more semantically accurate code that aligns with WCAG Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Creating accessible website often requires generating semantic HTML code, challenging for those without coding experience. That's where Website X5 helps. It automatically handles many accessibility features like keyword navigation and area tags, and offers wide support where needed, such as prompting for alt text when adding image. For example, this is image object. When you add it, we can see new icon, click on it, and we can enter title and alternative text. If we click here, we can see some techniques and best practice. You can read about this and learn how to write more useful text. The next change is new payment methods. We can go here to payment. These new payment methods available only for Pro and Agency program version. For example, here we can select Pay Now and we can see new payment methods, for example, OnShop, HyperPay, PayTabs, and PayU. Also, there are other changes. FTP library updated to achieve the security and stability for both SFTP and FTP connection, ensure safe and more reliable file transfer. Also, there was updating for the built-in browser engine. Here it is, this is built-in browser, so its engine was updated. Also, starting from this version, Website X5 no longer support Windows 7 and Windows 8. Also, there are many other fixes in the program. In the following video tutorial and review, we will look at other useful objects and features of the program that will help you during website creation. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment. If this video was useful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Alexey. See you soon in new tutorials.